with their backs against the wall. Take a look at the automakers. The agreements the unions have offered them will put a heavy financial burden on them. I read a study of Ford that showed they would have lost $17 billion if you simply conducted a pro forma and looked back a few years. They had previously made $30 billion in profits. Ford's P&L swings by $47 billion as a result. They can only get around that by using more expensive cars, which, as you point out, means they won't sell. There will definitely be some budget cuts in the consumer sector, in my opinion. The key to generating millions from the stock market, especially when investing in Tesla, has recently been revealed by this seasoned investor. The stock investor has some fresh guidance for everyone who owns or wishes to start purchasing Tesla shares. He recently anticipated the iPhone moment for Tesla. How did he say it? As we go over the specifics of this Tesla investor's most recent remarks, stay tuned to find out. Investors were shocked to learn in 2021 that Chamath Palihapitiya had sold all of his Tesla shares because he had previously revealed significant fundamentals that would eventually lead to an increase in the company's stock price. Palihapitiya has consistently expressed optimism over Tesla. Therefore, it is not unexpected that he has additional remarks to offer regarding the carmaker. We're going to go into Chamath Palihapitiya's thoughts and opinions about Tesla throughout this video, with a particular emphasis on his evaluation of the company's innovation, market position, sustainability initiatives, and possible future impact on the automotive industry and beyond. We'll also look at his viewpoint on investments, his technological observations, and his projections for Tesla's expansion and impact. Now, let's get going. Yes, that is the issue, Steve, as you may know. Recently, I got into a heated argument with someone over Tesla. If you could, I would love to ask you some thought-provoking questions and get your response. First, Tesla is a battery manufacturer. Does Tesla produce battery systems? Is it true or false? Has a battery been produced? See, there's no clear-cut solution to this. They collaborate with CATL, Panasonic, and LG Chem, although they are increasingly producing batteries internally. Their cost advantage over almost all competitors, with the exception of the Chinese, contributes to their strong gross margins, which is fantastic news. Thirdly, they are global leaders in robotization, and secondly, they offer OTA, over-the-air software services. They have the pricing advantage because of this. It will be necessary for the Americans to stay up. The Chinese are approaching swiftly. This is an exciting time to be in the market, and the global car industry is about to undergo a completely new kind of restructuring. It's an amazing moment to be a part of this revolutionary adventure as Tesla's trek towards an iPhone moment plays out in front of our eyes. Observing the automaker's transformation into a worldwide enterprise is fascinating. Palihapitiya is a seasoned financial professional who has a proven ability to recognize groundbreaking businesses and lucrative ventures. This American venture capitalist, who also founded Social Capital, has pointed out a turning point in Tesla's history and predicted that the company may be headed for its own iPhone moment. According to Palihapitiya, those who bet on Tesla now could see enormous returns on their investment because this Tesla iPhone moment could potentially mark a turning point for the company's long-term growth and profitability. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. With good reason, Tesla is frequently regarded as a pioneer in the field of electric vehicles. This firm has continuously pushed the limits of what electric vehicles can achieve, starting with the Roadster and continuing for a very long time with the legendary Model S and Model 3. According to Palihapitiya, Tesla's iPhone moment is a turning point in a business's history when a groundbreaking product or technological advancement completely transforms an industry, like Apple did with the iPhone back in 2007. This growth trend is similar to the first wave of iPhone sales that occurred when people understood how powerful smartphones might be. There will be a significant change in favor of electric vehicles as more people become aware of their advantages. More consumers are probably going to choose Tesla vehicles if Tesla can offer these vehicles for less money. Indeed, this may be Tesla's opportunity to eventually attain a monopoly. But before we continue, please click the like button, subscribe, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of content so you can be informed about all things Tesla. Palihapitiya asserts that demand will inevitably rise in tandem with rates as they eventually begin to decline. At that point, Tesla ought to be able to sell more vehicles, and if they continue to lower prices, demand will rise and overall profitability will rise as well, creating a win-win scenario. A significant factor in Tesla's iPhone moment is the company's multifaceted strategy, which goes beyond electric cars. The automaker's energy division is expanding quickly as solar energy systems and energy storage solutions become more and more popular across the globe. This diversification is similar to how Apple established itself as a major player in the tech industry by branching out into services like the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music. Tesla stands apart from other automakers with its energy offerings, which are in line with the company's objective to expedite the shift towards sustainable energy. Palihapitiya anticipates Tesla entering the energy sector in the future. In other news, Palihapitiya told CNBC during a discussion of Tesla's energy sector that the EV company has the potential to be worth trillions due to its renewable energy components. Palihapitiya emphasized that Tesla's growth is broader than just electric cars. The stock investor said at the time that Musk was working on finding a means to capture, store, and use energy in order to help humans combat climate change and attain the desired level of production. Given that Elon Musk has previously disclosed the company's intentions to boost its solar and energy storage business, this might be interpreted as an accurate prediction of Tesla's future. The CEO of Tesla stated that even if supply chain limitations have slowed the company's growth in the energy sector, the company still intends to boost production and deployment more quickly than it does automobile production after the supply chain problems are fixed. The growing need for sustainable energy solutions is one of the main factors propelling Tesla's expansion in the energy sector. There is a greater need than ever for sustainable power sources as people grow more conscious of the environment. For both home and commercial users, Tesla's energy products, such as solar panels and energy storage systems, offer dependable and environmentally friendly energy choices. Additionally, Chamath Palihapitiya brought up Tesla's supercharging agreement with other EV manufacturers, pointing out how strikingly similar it is to Apple's action. He asserts that Tesla will earn from these supercharging agreements in the same way that Apple did from its third-party app business. Additionally, Tesla may license its FSD program. Moreover, the rapid globalization of Tesla is akin to the rapid globalization of the iPhone. With gigafactories popping up all over the place, Tesla is putting itself in a strategic position to meet the increasing demand for electric automobiles worldwide. When taken as a whole, these indicators indicate to Tesla being at a turning point that could impact the industry and future of EVs. Thanks to Musk's inspiring leadership and Tesla's unwavering innovation drive, the firm is positioning itself for a future that could resemble Apple's experience following the advent of the iPhone. Of course, difficulties and uncertainty accompany such revolutionary growth. There is competition in the EV market, and Tesla has to deal with a number of production, legal, and other issues. But Tesla has proven resilient and adaptive in taking on issues head-on, much like Apple has been able to overcome setbacks and grow over time. We think Tesla will take full use of the numerous opportunities it has to create money, both now and in the future. However, what do you make of Chamath Palihapitiya's remarks regarding Tesla? Tell us what you think Tesla is worth in the comments section below. Please click on the following video to see more about what Tesla has been up to in the previous few days. I'll see you over there.